Aria Polymer polyethylene coupling agents. What are polymeric compounds? When a filler with special properties and application is added to a polymer with unique, useful and suitable properties, a compound with specific properties is produced. This compound has higher properties than its components and also a good potential for being applied in most industries such as flame-retardant products and color master batch production. But there is a challenge in compounding of these different materials. They have a poor compatibility. This is why the necessity of using coupling agent is discussed. As a result of poor compatibility between components of compounds, its properties will be undesirable. This compound has poor mechanical properties, high viscosity, and low fluidity. When a coupling agent with bifunctional nature is added, mechanical properties of compound such as impact strength, modulus, and tensile strength improve, viscosity reduces, and fluidity increases. How does this material help compound to achieve optimum properties? When melted polyethylene is added to a non-polar polymer such as polyethylene and polar substitutes such as fillers, pigments, or polar polymers, it interacts with materials of different polarities and molecular structures to enhance compatibility, improve the quality of boundary layer, achieve appropriate wetting and dispersion in compounds, and improve mechanical properties. Various grades of Aria couple, as Maleic anhydride functionalized polyethylene, can function as a coupling agent between polyethylene and reinforcing fillers such as glass fiber, cellulose fiber, and HFFR additive, or mineral fillers such as calcium carbonate, talc, mica, starch, wood flour, and pigments. It is also used to compatibilize polyethylene and polar polymers such as polyamide, PET, and EVOH in polymeric alloys. On the other hand, polyethylene grafted by maleic anhydride is able to act as adhesion promoter in PE lamination with polar layers such as paper, metal, fabric, etc. It is also used in hot melt or tie-layer adhesive formulation to improve adhesion strength. As the most consumed polymer in the world, polyethylene is an inert and non-polar polyolefin which is not able to interact with polar materials such as polar polymers like polyamide, fillers such as glass fiber, and also mineral materials. Polyethylene grafted by maleic anhydride has non-polar polymeric chain with a polar substituent which is able to act as a coupling agent in design of polymeric products like filled polyethylene. This additive can make a link between polar and non-polar materials, fillers, and polymeric matrix. Coupling agent is a good approach to modify filler or pigment dispersion by interfacial interaction, so they increase compatibility and also improve properties of various compounds with special purposes. Let's see what the difference between Aria couple and other available commercial coupling agents are. In a meticulous test, Aria couple and its counterpart have similar polymeric base, MFI range, density, and high graft level, exactly more than 1% maleic anhydride at their structure. Their mechanical properties such as strength, aging, etc. are almost in the same range. But Aria couple 1196 has higher hardness and weak at temperature. To compare their efficiency, performance, and effect of coupling agents in particular compounds of polyethylene with calcium carbonate filler, the two previously mentioned grades were examined. Tensile and elongation characteristics of polyethylene filled with calcium carbonate have higher value by means of Aria couple 1196 as a melted polyethylene coupling agent. Since changes in compound properties over a period of time are important in the use of polymers, the aging test has been done to evaluate coupling agents' performance. For this purpose, the introduced grades are used in polyolefin elastomer filled with coated calcium carbonate. To estimate aging of compound properties, mechanical properties were measured before and after exposure to temperature for a specific period of time. Consequently, the compound with Aria couple 1196 has lower aging and its properties change fewer at product shelf life. A peel strength analysis has been also done to compare peel strength of these coupling agents. The maximum and average peel strength has reported by labs. Aria couple 1196 has a better peel strength. Finally, polyethylene with its good features in most of applications needs to be reinforced by a filler for various applications, but compatibility is one of the issues in this regard. Aria couple 1196 as a polyethylene grafted with Maleic anhydride acts a significant role among the various coupling agents to achieve good compatibility and improve properties. Thanks for being with us. There is always a better way.